小世界很不简单，有很多事情我不明白。这个世界真是奇妙，让我们对着天空问声why。
为什么呢？
小虫虫有大智慧，你别在那独自发呆，快让脑筋转动起来，你要的答案就在面前。
大家一起来吧！
小虫虫，到了开动脑筋的时间。小虫虫，睁大你的双眼。小虫虫，看看这个小世界。小虫虫，小脑瓜再次充电。小虫虫，奥妙无穷的世界。
小虫虫有大智慧。
La la la, la la la. A brilliant new day is ours to share, my cheery little friends. So tell me, are you ready to work on another puzzle in the wild? In the last episode, Joe, Croaker, and Cosmo were the victims of some nasty and poisonous potato sprouts. So now, what mysterious adventures await us today in the marsh? Let's check it out. So, what are you kids waiting for? Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever Huh? Eh? Everybody go home! It's going to rain! All you fellas run for cover! It's gonna start pouring! Hey! Look alive! Run for cover! Nicky, you're speaking with such intensity that you make it sound like there's a hailstorm coming!
Well, that's not at all what I'm saying. But we're still in grave danger. Now, it's not going to be hail, but all the thunder!
Wow! It's a thunderstorm!
Ah, thunderstorm? So there's going to be lots of loud noises and flashing lights?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no! Oh, I have to find some shelter right away!
Whoa, that Flutterby. She's such a drama queen.
Nitty, I must make sure that everyone knows that the storm is coming!
When you don't know what to do, shout out to the mighty insect girl. Hey, let's see! Hey, let's see! Float with me! Float with me! Take a lesson from a super busy bee. Hey, let's see! Float with me! Float, listen positively more. Roll free!
Thunderstorm coming! Go home! Hey, McBroom! Go home!
Really? Well, how much time do I have?
It's a thunderstorm! Get back in your tree! Hey, you two!
Hey?
You'll need to take cover!
Hey, Scooby! So why is it we have to run and hide from the rain? Lightning is dangerous. But Scoob, why is it so dangerous? When lightning strikes, it can electrocute you. And that's if you're lucky. Oh, but why? Oh, again with the questions. Listen, we gotta get out of here and find a place to hide. Come on!
Bartleby! Oh, Bartleby! Bartleby! Please can I stay with you during the storm? I feel scared. I don't want to be alone.
Oh! Then come on in! Oh! Whoa! What about here?
Not here.
Here?
Oh? No way.
Oh! How about under this big fungus?
Oh? Big fungus? But how will it withstand such a heavy downpour?
Well, if it isn't Birtle and Flutterby, how can you stay at home?
Hey, McBroom, can you shelter us with you?
Oh, sure. Ha ha ha. That's right. I've just been working pushing me here fancy dung bowl around.
Oh, I almost forgot. Hey, Bartleby, where are you going? Well, I've got to go warn Cosmo and Joe.
Don't stop flying.
Whoa, there they are.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys.
Huh?
It's not safe here. There's a thunderstorm coming.
Huh?
But, Joe, you don't want to be on a lotus leaf right now. You should go hide yourself in a hole or something. Come on.
I'm gonna have a shower. I'm not afraid of a thunderstorm or anything. As you know, us frogs are really brave.
Joe, I think Bartle's right. I mean, if my wings get wet, I can't fly at all.
Oh, Cosmo! Hey, are you all right? Hey, Joe, we gotta go before it's too late.
You are such annoying bugs. If you want to leave, just go ahead and leave. I'm gonna have a little nap.
Oh, I guess he's not gonna move. It's just me and you, Cosmo.
Ooh, it's so boring. I need to go find myself a new toy. Oh, what's this thing? Such a strange looking can. Oh, make it into a mask for myself. Bow to me, you little crawlies. I'm the Tin Can Knight.
Whoa, the rain's gonna fall any second now.
Oh, let those who disobey me tremble in my presence.
Joe, the lightning's coming. Come on, get inside.
Oh, I'm not afraid.
Hey, Joe, you can share shelter with us. Oh.
Would you quit buzzing around me, Bartleby? I'm an amphibian, and so my body's fully adapted to precipitation.
It's a really terrible thunderstorm, okay? It's just too dangerous.
I don't care about the storm. I can deal with any kind of harsh weather. Buzz off, you're making me mad. Boring. I want a nap now. Oh my, pretty lightning. Nothing for this frog to worry about. Lightning bolts! I'm Joe Coker, and I'm going to... Strike me if you can!
And now I'll introduce you to me collection. This one's been left by me grandpa's grandpa's grandpa. It's roughly about 200 years old.
I'm really starting to worry about Joe out there.
Me too.
Oh, help me! This ceiling will provide shelter for me. Oh no, help me up! This can is perfect cover from the lightning. Hey, I'd like to see you try and get me now, lightning. No! Help me! Why'd you pick us so lightning bolt!
Oh! Hey, Joe! We're right over here!
I don't see you!
Over here! Hurry!
Oh, there you are!
Oh! 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 Hey, Joe! Hey, are you okay now?
Hey, Bartleby, mate. I was hoping that you would do me a favor. Please, Bart.
Huh? Well, I'd be glad to help you. No problem, Joe. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Could you find me a lightning-proof place where I can go whenever there's a thundering storm?
You need a lightning-proof place?
No, just so you know, I'm not afraid of lightning. It's just.
Oh, I got it. So next time there's a thunderstorm, why don't you join us?
Thank you, guys. Really.
Joe should have listened to me. Lightning strikes are very dangerous. It's not safe to stand in open fields under trees or be in water. So, inside your home or in your car, the safest places to be, okay? Well, on the next show, old Joe finds a clock. And he thinks that it can stop time. What do you